Hi guys, my name is Jeff Jones and I am from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we've taken the difficult things of streaming and we have helped you we will help you one video at a time. And in this video, we're going to continue on our Kodi for Beginners series. I want to go into this video on how to find different authorized add-ons or apps in Kodi in 2026. If this is your first time to our YouTube channel, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, my name is Jeff and I will not be long. Also, give me a thumbs up and share this video with someone that might need it. Maybe you know someone that needs Kodi, but I just want to demystify one of the best applications for entertainment. Now, in my last couple of videos, I broke down Kodi very simply. Now I'm going to get a lot of mixed just people chiming in. I've had people say Kodi sucks and your videos suck, and then I have people that thank me for our content. But Kodi is one of the oldest and most reliable media center applications that you can have. That means it will host all of your own content. Some of my best streamers that I watch, that I follow, have their own content. That means they have a library of movies, TV shows, and media, and they use Kodi to use it. They watch their own movies, watch their own pictures with family. They use this media center all the time. So Kodi has been around a long time, and it's an open sourced free application. So like anything else, you always want to have an internet, a VPN. So I use private internet access, and it's been very good. If you guys want a free trial, let us know. We can get you hooked up. So I got that hooked up. I'm going to go to the home page. Then I'm going to go right over to Kodi and press the OK button and let it open up. Now, a lot of people get here and they get very confused and they wonder what all of this is. So I have an add-on here called Umbrella. It's going to update, or I'll do it manually. That's not what the video is about. But as you can see, in this media center, you can put your own movies, your TV shows. If I had any music, I could put it there, music videos. You can even put some live TV through the internet, even radio, games, and then you'll see where I have add-ons. So I have my own add-ons. There it is right there. And we're going to let that do what it does. So, but what I want to focus on really quick is it rebooting? Okay, it did. I'm going to go up to the search here. Press OK. You can search your local library, which is your own, thumb drive, terabyte drive, server, whatever you have. You can search YouTube or you can search add-ons. So if I search add-ons, let me go to music. You can put different add-ons. Let's say I put music. Hope this works. So I'm going to put music. Maybe radio would be better. Once that's there, I'm going to go over to the OK button in the right-hand corner. Press OK. Now, I put music. You could be very, very strategic or more detailed, but here's some different things that you can install that are already on the Kodi software. So these are licensed to use. You got your decoders. I think you have like game music. You got Pocket CTG, music genre, fan art. You got lyrics. You got media sources, Bandcamp Radio, CBC Radio, Google Drive, I Love Music, all of it right here. This add-on lists all I Love Music streams. This add-on has NPR Music, launched in 2007 to present public radio music programming. So you can install these all by themselves. These are easy to use. They're free to use. And you can start using Kodi to see the power of a media center. Now, I wanted to do this video because it's not hard to find different things to search for. And I think you're going to find a lot of great things here. You got visualizations, you got matrix, you got all kinds of stuff here that you can use. Now, one of the things I also want to point out is, again, Kodi is free. So you can find a lot of people on YouTube that mean well, it might lead you down the wrong path. I'm not going to be one of them. I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to close out this video. It's about 5 or 6 minutes long, but this way, for those that are new or beginners, you'll get an understanding. But in my next video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to add a Kodi add-on, such as Umbrella or Comet or something new. So that way you can start using some over the internet different entertainment. And remember, Kodi is one of the best media center applications that you can find. I appreciate everyone that was able to tune into this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like, and share this video with as many people as you can. It really helps us grow this channel organically. I'll see you in the next video. Also, check the the description of the video in the comments. If you're interested in one of the best devices out there, follow the links. We got some great deals. Take care. Bye-bye.